Hi guys, we're back from another monthly grocery haul. This time we went to Costco. So we're gonna show you some of the snacks that we got. Starting off with our Cliff bar. They're 30 pieces and they have different flavors. 10 chocolate brownies, 10 chocolate chips, and 10 iced oatmeal cookies. These are good for my kids' snacks for school. Also, we have this kind mini bars. They're energy bars. They're priced at $19.99. They have 32 pieces and there are peanut butter, almond sea salt. And next we also have our baking cocoa powder. They are priced at $9.49. I have so many uses for this, especially making brownies. And we also need walnuts for the brownies. That's why I got a big bag of walnuts, and they are priced at $15.99. At the back we have sprouted rice and quinoa blend. This is our first time using this and it is priced at $7.99. Back here are some snacks. We have almond nuggets in dark chocolate and they're priced at $12.89. We also have the dates. They're priced at $7.69. It's less organic in here and no sugar added, no preservatives, so we should give this a try. So onto our fruits and vegetables. Got a whole pack of mushrooms for $4.59. 2 packs of bananas. They're $1.99 each. We also have this organic apple and they're priced at $8.99. A whole bag of clementines, priced at $9.99. We also have organic zucchini and they're priced at $5.99. We also have a no preservative spinach and they're priced at $3.49. Our organic wild blueberries and they're frozen. They're priced at $11.99 and a whole bag of broccoli. We use this for steamed broccoli and beef with broccoli as well. And they are priced at $5.99. We also have our Dole mandarin oranges. These are good for snacks for the kids to bring for school and they're priced at $10.99. Also, this is our second time purchasing this chicken mozzarella ravioli and they are priced at $11.99 and they're good with just your favorite pasta sauce and some grated cheese. In here we have our 2.5 dozen of eggs and they're priced at $7.29 each and this will last us about 3 weeks. And the next is our sprouted bread. We have 2 pieces there and they're priced at $6.49. And our veggie tortilla and they're priced at $3.99. So we have our New Zealand cheddar cheese and these are priced at $10.99. Our Better Than Beyond beef paste, they're priced at $8.49. This is good if you make beef with broccoli. I put this instead of beef broth. And also we have the sun-dried tomatoes. They're good for pasta as well. And then these are 4 liters, 2% of milk. They're priced at $4.54. These are pickled herring and I love to put this on top of bread and butter and they're priced at $6.49. You also have a 4-liter canola oil. They're priced at $6.19. You also have 2 big jars of our Prego pasta sauce and they're priced at $7.89 for 2. Onto our meat section, over there we have our ground beef and it's priced at $20.36. It's 2.7 kilos, as well as our lean ground pork and it's priced at $12.46. Over there, our wild smoked salmon and they're priced at $15.99 and it's good with cream cheese and some bagels. We also have some organic chicken. These are organic chicken drumstick and it's priced at $14.78, as well as another pack of organic chicken drumstick and they're priced at $13.86. A whole pack of organic chicken wings, and their price at $14.68. We also got this wild caught mahi mahi. Their price at $34.99. I'd like to top it with my homemade Cajun seasoning. Fry it with a little oil, and then I make my mango and tomato salsa with this. And last but not least are my sirloin tip roast. Their price at $27.59 for two. I'm gonna make beef pot roast for turkey. There you go, guys, or for Thanksgiving. There you go, guys. These are my haul for the month from Costco. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.